Welcome back to another communication series video. Today, I'll walk you through the basics of sending an SMS, which is perfect for a quick reminder or update. From the Compose screen, you're going to click on the SMS tab. Select who you'd like to send the SMS to, and remember, you have the option to send as yourself or select the checkbox to send as school. When you select send as school, student and parent replies are not allowed. If you needed to send this SMS as an emergency message, you would just select the checkbox next to emergency. Remember, if you select emergency and send, it's going to send immediately. When typing your message, keep it concise. Remember, any text is automatically translated, and some translations may create additional characters in your message. If you're using an SMS signature, that will also count against the character limit. If you need to review your SMS signature, you can go and select your Settings tab. Just like any other method of communication in Focus, you can choose to click Send to send immediately, or select Schedule to schedule when this SMS is going to go out. The beauty of scheduling a message is you have the ability to plan ahead and recall that SMS if needed. I'm going to go ahead and click Send. I'm going to get my confirmation that it's sending to one recipient, and I'll say yes, I want to go ahead and send. I get confirmation my message has sent. And that's how easy it is to send an SMS in Focus. Be sure to check out our other communication series videos to learn more.